Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching me today, how are you doing? I hope you are well and safe. God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use maca root to treat any kind of infection. If you have any kind of infection, I'm going to show you what you need to do. If you are watching this program for the first time, kindly make sure you share this program. Drop your comments, like, and subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. If you need more of my video, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help you for spiritual tips. Infection. Go and look for this thing. Yoruba call it epakun. Oyinbo call it caligo pilosa. Go and look for it. Caligo pilosa. Go and look for it. And maca root. Caligo pilosa and maca root. And bitter melon. Go and look for it. And this leaf, are you with me? If you don't understand, you are free to call my number 080-39-33-6675. Go and look for maca roots, Caligo pilosa. Oyinbo call it Caligo pilosa, fresh one. Go and look for it. And maca roots, and this leaf, and bitter melon. Go and look for it. Cut the bitter melon into pieces. We don't need the seed. Remove the seed. Cut it into smaller pieces. Then look for pot. Pack all these items inside one pot. Then look for pap water. Use pap water. Use pap water to cook this herb. Are you with me? Caligo pilosa, maca root, bitter melon, and this leaf. Pack all these items inside pot. Then add pap water to it. Pap water. Cook it very well. If you have infection or you know someone that have it, drink this herb. Take one shot every day. One shot every day. If you have infection or you know someone that have it around you, try it. By the grace of God, you will surely share me good testimony. By the grace of God. My name is Dr. Avizabalade, the son of Aramide. For more video, please subscribe.